Wala, na-miss ko lang.
Okay.
Okay lang ba yun? Okay lang ba yun? Pwede magtanong, Evan, na-miss mo ba ako? Madali naman ang sagot. Oo, hindi lang.
Heaven. Nako ba?
Kailangan mo ba ng tissue? Sandali.
Bert, ano masasabi mo? Bert, ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo?
Okay, sige. Ano na lang,
Oo naman, syempre mag-miss. Hello, ilang years na naman kami magkasama. And, and yes, namiss ko sila.
yung question ko talaga is, as a, kayo yung pioneer dito sa book, how do you feel kayong dalawa na, eto na, final chapter na yung story ng book. Kayo yung pioneer, tapos ngayon ending na, anong pakiramdam mo?
Siyempre saan, no? Ako sa no. Hindi ko lang sa'yo.
Oo naman, syempre. Syempre, sinimulan namin yung university series without knowing na ganito pala siya magiging kalaki. And marami kaming mapapasayang tao and mag-grow up din with us. And so, feeling ko like masaya and malungkot at the same time. Kasi syempre, ito yung mga kasamahan ko na gusto ko sana hanggang sa pagtanda, hanggang gagamba. Pero ganun talaga, last book na, kailangan na mag-bye-bye. But grateful na ako yung napili as Luna. And so,
Marco, dun sa series nyo, sa first, you wrote mo si Calix, and
Yes po.
naghintay siya ng 10 years para kay Luna. Handa ka bang gawin yun in real life?
Listen. I think everyone here knows what happened between us. You know, we're exes and everything. To be quite honest with you, I would like to not put too much pressure onto that topic, just because obviously as an exes, we had that phase na medyo nagkakainitan kami. So parang ngayon parang mas sobrang okay na kami. As in, walang galit, walang kahit ano. So we're really just, I'm happy being around you. I mean, I don't know, have you ever seen it? And it's fun to work with you. So work na lang muna tayo, okay lang ba? Hindi, pero I'm really just, I'm happy at the state that we are now. And let's see wherever it leads. Yeah.
Kay Heaven, connect dun sa question. Yung role mo si Luna, tapos naghintay si Calix. Ikaw ba handa kang pabalikin yung naghintay sa'yo?
oo naman. Pero syempre, I mean, 10 years din yun So 10 years na ang dami ng pagkakaiba, kumbaga, yung growth nyo. So, oo, kung pinipili nyo pa rin yung isa't isa after ilang years. And, oo, kung ibang tao na kayo talaga. Like, syempre hindi ka naman pwede pumasok ulit ng relationship niya, let's say second chance. And then, expecting na different yung outcome, di ba? So, dapat, by that time, kung magkakaroon kayo ng second chance, dapat nag-grow na talaga kayo. And mas mature na kayo, kumbaga. And you choose each other. So,
Meron kang comment mo na sinabi ni Marco na walang pressure, masaya lang.
Kasi ayoko naman din may maghintay sa akin. Siyempre gusto ko kung sino man yun, gusto ko, you know, he lived his life or, I mean, di ba? Para he grows din and he's happy living his life. That's okay lang. Pero if you guys are really meant for each other, I believe na itatadhana din kayo. Yes, thank you.
All right, great questions as always. Thank you so much. Now from ABS-CBN, Ana Cerezo.
Hi! Good afternoon. Evening. For Jairus and Nicole, from the beginning nitong series na to, and up to now, how would you describe na yung friendship niyo? How has it changed?
Big changes, right? Ang laki ng pagbabago. Kasi parang, when we started doing the series, we're just casual, like parang magkatrabaho, nakikita sa work and everything. Pero now, we became close to each other to the point na we understand each other in terms of how we are as a person. So malaki talaga yung changes namin and we're much comfortable with each other right now. And I think that's important with the whole series na maging komportable kami sa isa't isa. And yeah, we're just enjoying each other's company and yeah. How about you?
Yeah, kasi when we met po, nung nag-start na yung series, hindi po talaga kami magka-eksena. Never po kami nagtatagpo. Magkatagpo lang kami pag interviews or, di ba, media con or events or mall shows. But we've never really had time to really get to know each other and spend time. And now that we're doing the series, now we're doing book 6, dito lang po kami talaga nagsimula yung tandem namin. So, it's been great and it's going really, really well. And I'm just glad that there's so much trust and safety with each other.
May ano pa ba? May mas i-close pa kayo?
Gano'n ka-close? We love it.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see. Kasi as of the moment, we're really focused on this partnership, doing this job. Because we want nothing but success for not just for Oye, but for the whole university series. So eventually, we'll, sasabay naman lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Basta ngayon, nag-enjoy kami and we're very much focused on doing our jobs and being there for each other. Kasi ang bigat ng libro, and importante na nararamdaman namin na nandyan kami para sa isa't isa all the time.
Okay, thank you so much. Now moving on to TV5, Von Belinario.
Hi everyone, congratulations. But my question is for Jerome and Trisha. Ayan, o diba sa sigawan pa lang, alam namin marami na nakamiss sa inyo. Siguro yung question ko is, ano yung namiss ninyo sa isa't isa, Jerome and Trisha? Kasi matagal na bago nung huling nag-umere yung Save Sky Archers. Ngayon na nagkasama ulit kayo dito sa Grand Media Con ng Viva One. Anong namiss nyo sa isa't isa?
Anong na-miss namin sa isa't isa? Marito!
Jerome, come on, go ahead.
You got this, bro!
It's your time to shine, buddy.
Lahat ng mga nakaraan.
Sabihin mo yung totoong nararamdaman niyo.
Oo, siyempre. From trabaho, from friendship, the way we are. Yun.
Hindi siya kailangan may sagot ka.
Siyempre nakakamiss yung din namin. Pag magkasama kami, ang favorite ko talaga ang scene partner si Jerome. Like, super duper, he makes me really feel safe kapag nagkaka-eksena kami. And grabe siyang sumuport talaga as in super, super duper. And syempre, yung mga chika and crew, kapag ka, ingay? Charot din. Yun lang. Hindi, pero kasi mahilig kami mag-food trip ni Jerome before. So nakakamiss din yun. Mga food trip namin.
Kumusta ang communication after nung series? Ano nang ginagawa ninyo after nun?
Busy kasi si Jerome. eh. Busy siya.
Honestly, I've been traveling a lot. Tapos, may mga bagay lang nangyari sa buhay ko na hindi naasahan. Been choosing projects starting since nung I Love You since 1892 dahil parang naging routine na kasi yung career ko na every time na may tinatanggap akong role or character, it's been a question. Nagiging question siya na parang kahit ako na-question ko sarili ko, ano ba ang kaya ko? So, I think doon napunta yung time ko for myself. I mean, it's, 15 years? Since 2011, 2012. Parang, I'm not getting younger anymore. Pero, I can still accept roles na young, pero iba na yung situation ngayon eh, na andyan ang social media, critics, judgments, but mas pinifeel ko lang yung circle, you know? Hindi ko na pinapakita masyado yung inner circle ko para at least hindi rin ma-judge. Yeah.
How about you, Krisha? What keeps you busy nowadays?
Meron akong mga anak. Wow! Meron akong girl group na mentor ngayon. So, doon na ako busy. So, meron po silang comeback. Meron silang comeback this August 8. So, yun yung medyo Pixie po.
Pixie.
Yes.
Wow, kayo pa palang mentor doon.
Yeah, so, parang magkaiba kami talaga nung siya. May parang nagbe-business siya ngayon. Tapos ako, busy with the girl group. And ito, nakikita kami dito sa Viva. And in the future, malay niyo, meron ulit. So, we'll see. I'm really open to working again after this Univercada. It's a small world. Hindi talaga, hindi makuklose yung door ko, of course, to work with Jerome again. I always say that, promise. So, yeah.
Nagtitilian yung mga fans dito sa tabi. Congratulations, guys, and nice seeing you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.